Just living a life is not enough. One must have sunshine, freedom, and flowers to enjoy life. Nature is so diverse and beautiful that you should take out some time from your busy schedule and see the beauty of nature. When we go out on a trip, we get peace of mind. The cool breeze blowing and the birds singing relaxes our minds. Traveling is an important teacher that teaches you a lot of important lessons that books can never teach you. Mountains have always been special for me. The curvy roads, the beautiful scenery, and the aesthetic beauty of the mountains attracts me a lot. The fresh air refreshes our mind, and the morning sun rays cleanses our soul. So today we are heading towards Yercaud for a 2-day trip. Yercaud is a small hill station situated around 200 kilometers from Bangalore. It is a very common travel place for people living in Bangalore and Chennai. We started late around 10 o'clock from Bangalore and took the Yercaud road. It was in the month of March and the temperature was around 30 degrees Celsius. We headed towards Shoolagiri, and after crossing Shoolagiri we decided to have breakfast at Sravana Bhavan, which is a nice veg restaurant. We ordered a pepper masala dosa and kesari bhat, and the taste was really awesome. After completing our late breakfast, we started our journey towards Yercaud. We took small breaks for relaxation in between though. Around 2 o'clock, we reached somewhere in close proximity of Salim, and decided to have our lunch at Star Biryani.
So now we have stopped here for some biryani at Star Biryani. इधर पे तो कभी स्टार बिरयानी मैंने खाया नहीं, जाके देखते हैं टेस्ट कैसा है. I'm planning to have chicken, roasted chicken with biryani. Let's see how it turns out.
After having lunch, we decided to visit Gurmapatti Biological Park. The park is situated in the foothills, around 20 kilometers from the city of Salem. The park has a very nice collection of animals. The beautiful peacock and the deers are worth mentioning. If you are a photographer, you can definitely take some cool shots with your lens. It was around 4 o'clock when we decided to leave the park and move towards the hills. As we started riding up, the temperature changed drastically. We could feel the cool breeze against our face. The sun was about to set and we decided to directly go to the sunset viewpoints. Yercaud has quite a few beautiful viewpoints, some of which are ladies' seat, gents' seat and children's seat. We enjoyed the sunset around 6 o'clock and after that we headed back towards our hotel. We booked Hotel Tamil Nadu, which is a government maintained hotel and a very good one for budget stay. After the journey of more than 200 kilometers, which took around 5 hours, we were very tired and so took our dinner quickly at a nearby restaurant and went to sleep. In the morning, we decided to wake up early and go to see the sunrise. If you like my story, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The second part of Yercaud trip is coming soon. Stay tuned. Bye bye.